What's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. It's another beautiful day out in sunny Orlando, Florida. And what we're going to do is just jump straight into the Bitcoin price today. If you woke up this morning, you're blessed. Make sure you stack your Bitcoin. Make sure you're thankful for another beautiful day. And make sure that you stack away. With that being said, let's jump into the Bitcoin price. All right, let's see here, guys. We are pumping. So I wanted to make sure I drop this video real quick and show you guys what's going on. We came above these ribbons, and now we're pumping. This is the hourly time frame. We're above the EMA here, which was at 28.6, so we're now at 28.8, and we're continuing to go up, which is great. Somebody just commented, I guess, on my page on a video. The volume gap, I think we can come right back up here. So let me put an alert here at 29.3. All right, let me put that alert there. I don't know what's going on with these alerts lately. They've been acting weird. And then on the website for TradingView, it's also been saying that they've been working on the alerts. So I put two alerts here, back at that volume node. We could pop right back up to 29.2 area. And then from there, we could come back up. Bitcoin always does this too. Bitcoin always pumps up out of a flag, breaks everybody out, and then comes back up. This is like a pattern that Bitcoin always does. If it doesn't follow the traditional ways of patterns, right? Chart patterns. So I have something that I've noticed over the last few weeks, a few months watching Bitcoin move around on the charts, So with that being said, this is looking pretty good. We're still pumping, as you guys can see here right now at 28.874. Looks like we're going to continue to pump. Let's look at market cipher. Market cipher, we are pointing up. RSI way up. Stochastic RSI moving up. VWAP pointing down. Money flow still red. Let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour looking great. We had that curve, nice little curvature. We had that red dot, as I mentioned, and then now we start the curve, and now we're shooting up. We got the VWAP headed up. We also got stochastic RSI and RSI pointing up, and then money flow is green on the 4 hour as well. So it's looking pretty good on the 4 hour. So that's great to see. 4 hour looking pretty good, guys. Looking real good. Back up to that monthly and weekly level is that 29.2. So once again, once we hit that level, we'll get the alert, and I think we could continue to move up from there as long as we continue this momentum. Looking at the daily, excuse me. Looking at the daily, wasn't looking too good yesterday, as I said in the previous video, but I said we don't know what could happen, right? Anything could happen. VWAP is still pointing down. This could switch up and turn up. And then now we got money flow turning up as well. And then we got the red dot, like I said in yesterday's video, which was not looking pretty good. However, things change, so we got to make sure we move accordingly. Stochastic RSI and RSI moving down. Let's see, but we did get that green dot back here, and then we had the red dot. But this is looking pretty good right now, looking pretty good if we could continue to pump above these levels that I have. So the weekly and monthly level is the main level right now. If we continue to pump. Oh, I know we got FOMC tomorrow as well, and if they're going to raise rates and all that stuff. So this could be a short-lived rally, unfortunately, with all the news and what's going on with the economy and all that good stuff. So we'll see how Jerome Powell, the one man that has all the power to move all the markets, what he says tomorrow. So it's going to be very volatile. So if you have any trades, I would recommend that you tomorrow before the FOMC meeting, right before the FOMC meeting, just if you're trading, just go ahead and close out your positions and just be careful. But you can do whatever you want. You're grown. So this is looking pretty good on the daily. Let's jump down to the 30-minute chart, and that'll be it for today's video. 30-minute chart looking pretty good. Money flow turning up. Money flow moving up. Curvature, we got some nice curvature here. Yep, we had a lot of money flow. Look at that red. Money flow was super red, guys, indicating sells. So all this was selling. All this time it's been selling. And then now we're starting to curve up. I think I said in a previous video this looks like a bullish divergence, but I think that was that on the hourly? Let's go back. Yep, that was on the hourly and yesterday's video as well. So once again, it looks like I was right. It looks like I was right. In yesterday's video, I said this looks like a bullish divergence. We could pump, and guess what happened today? We pumped. So I called it once again. Don't believe me? Go watch yesterday's video. Dang, nice with it. Back down to the 30-minute chart. Let's see, we are above the 50, which is good. VWAP, RSI, and stochastic RSI going up again, and then money flow turning up again, looking pretty good for now. And I wouldn't be surprised if we did come down a little bit and then come back up. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how that plays out. But pretty much looking pretty good on the 30-minute chart. And where's the next resistance point? Which is right where we're at now. We got support down here. Blue line came down to a low. I said if we go down here, we'll get an alert. We never came back down that low. Right now we are pumping a little bit. We're coming down a little bit, 28.805, but we are above the EMA here. So that's good, and I think again the target would be here, 29.2 to 29.3. Also, let me put one here, 29,081. All right, so I got a couple alerts there, and I'll make sure to let you guys know. And then we just look back and see where we had the most support. Should be around here, right? This is exactly where we are now. Hopefully that doesn't turn into resistance and we blast through that. The next one will be around here, 29,38. And that's pretty much it, guys. Stack some Bitcoin. Make sure you head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris, guys. Make sure that you are trading responsibly and not over leveraging. Make sure that you are being smart, setting your stop losses, and making sure you're having targets set if you are trading. Also head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Get $10 free Bitcoin. If you need help with your credit, click the link in the bio. FOMO2021.com also in the bio. Also down in the bio, a ton of other things. Just make sure that you guys utilize all the information to your advantage in 2023. Much love, you guys. Have a great, beautiful day. Bitcoin Chris, check it out. Peace.